Welcome back for another Litecoin price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets and also give you reasons as to why Litecoin can see a break above the $97.65 mark in the next coming hours. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And starting the video with the fundamental analysis, where at the time of this recording we have 14 days, 8 hours and 41 minutes to the Litecoin halving event, which is an event that I'm expecting is going to bring about a lot of volatility in the market. And getting back to the charts to give you my technical analysis ahead of the Litecoin halving event, here on the charts you can see that Litecoin at the time of this recording has managed to break above a key area of resistance at around the $91.35 mark, which was previously acting as a resistance. And since we have managed to break above that, and we are also holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, there are high chances that Litecoin is going to continue gearing up to the next key area of resistance at around the $97.65 mark, and a break above that and maybe a successful retest, we can see a break above the $100 mark once more here on the Litecoin chart. Litecoin has also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and you can see that after seeing our lows on the 14th of June at around the $70.56 mark, we have been seeing a very nice recovery to the upside, obeying the Elliot structures, where we have now peaked in the formation of that wave 1, seen a breakdown move in the formation of that wave 2, then a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5, giving us a high above the $115 mark, completing the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we expected a breakdown move in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 2. Minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum retracement area between the Fib level 0.382 and the Fib level 0.618, and that is between the $98.55 mark and the $87.86 mark, which is an area that we have now fully maximized. And there are high chances that Litecoin has now put in place the low for the second wave and is now ready for a massive pump to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, and giving you minimum target areas for the third wave using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. I have a minimum target area for the third wave at the Fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $161.65 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect Litecoin to do in the formation of that wave 3 ahead of the Litecoin halving event. So there are high chances that in case we see a lot of volatility get back into the market ahead of that event, we can then start our impulse to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, see a break above significant areas of resistances, and also see a break above the significant high at around the $115.15 mark. And the moment Litecoin is able to break above that significant high, then we can continue gearing up and see a break above the $120 and the $140 mark in the next coming days. And that is what I'm expecting here on the Litecoin chart. So on the short term, I'm expecting Litecoin to get above the $97.65 mark in the next coming hours, since we have the support of the 20-day MA and also the area of support at around the $91.35 mark, and a break above the $97.65 mark. There are high chances that Litecoin is going to be able to see a break above the $100 mark in the next coming hours or maybe days. And also taking a look at the indicators, to see what movements will be supported. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 51 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.